Hi, Zach here from MarineMax Jacksonville, and we're standing on a brand new Harris 230 Grand Mariner. This is one of our premier pontoons. This 23 has a camel interior, woven flooring, in-deck storage, so you got plenty of room to store skis, tubes, inflatables, anything like that. This boat's got a couple unique features. One, you're seeing that all the cup holder lights and under seat lights along with the exterior lights are all color changing multi-function LEDs. This particular boat has a tremendous amount of lighting on it. It's got a tremendous amount of cup holders, which everybody needs cup holders. And of course, you need cup holders because you got a ton of seating. This is one of the few that has a full wraparound bow area. This insert is removable. You still do have a front gate, but this slides forward and allows you to exit the boat up front. You've also got storage underneath this. So, you know, one of Harris's cool features is the fact that they've got a multi-hinge seat system. So you actually get that seat top completely out of there without actually having a fully removable seat base. This boat's got the dual captain's chairs on it also. So plenty of comfort, forward-facing seats. Single rear lounger in the back. That's great for your family being out at the sandbar and whatnot, or just cruising. And you're actually able to cruise with this boat because you've got a gate system available here. So you can actually shut this and it becomes Coast Guard legal to sit on the back of the boat. This boat does have the JL audio system in it, so it's one of the upgraded audio systems that's available for the boat. You've got a rear control and then of course a dash control, which is your main system. Another cool feature is this boat's got the power Bimini. So if you notice, there are no rear legs coming down on this Bimini. That's because if you detach the front ones and at the push of a button, the whole Bimini comes down. Really cool feature, makes it easy if you're keeping it in a boathouse. This boat's also got the Simrad in the dash, so you got a nice navigation screen that's available, along with some engine data available on that screen. This particular boat's powered with the 300 Mercury Verado, one of the new V8 AMS series Verados. Tremendous amount of performance, all fly-by-wire shifting, great running boat, super comfortable, ready to get you and your family out on it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. My name is Zach. Come on down and come see us. Thanks.